Hi there, my name is Mitch with the Fresche support team here, and we're going to walk through the TG Audit configuration, more specifically the IFS auditing portion. This is going to allow us to run reports and audit those who make actions on IFS objects and files. So I'm in the wiki here, and I've selected the Setup IFS Auditing. You can reference this and we'll walk through this together as well. Alright, so before we get into the auditing itself, let's create a directory, a temporary directory that we're going to audit here. So we have a folder zztemp, and I'm just going to create one with my name here. My directory is now created. We can do a work link and see that that exists. Take a 5 on that, and we're in. And let's pop into TG Audit now. So we're going to access the Audit Configuration menu and take an option 4 for the IFS Auditing setup. Now what we'll want to do here is pass the path in which we want to audit. So I've got zztemp and Mitch. And here, let's track all of the changes and all of the changes within the subtree as well within this directory. Now here you'll see that we're not authorized to change this auditing value. What we need is actually the star audit special authority on our profiles. So what I'm going to do is log in as our security officer here, or any profile you have that has star audit. And let's navigate back to TG menu, audit, back to where we were, and now let's create this rule. So again, we'll pass the path, star all, and we'll see now that the auditing value has changed. I'm just going to sign out of this job here. And we're back to my profile here. Alright, so we now have auditing turned on for that folder. And what I'm going to do is just F9 back to my work link here, back to my folder, and I'm just going to take a 5 on this to open it up. We've got nothing in here, but what we will get to see, just 1 second, so when we navigate back to TG Audit, we're now going to go directly to work with reports. And a quick tip here actually is we're looking for the object reads report name. And so right now you'll see the collector ID is highlighted in white. Now we're sorting by that field, and we're also, if we were to query in the position 2 field here, it's going to search within the collector ID. Now I want to look for the report name. So I'm going to put my cursor on there. I'm going to hit F10 to sort. And here we can see we're sorting by that now. And what I get to do here is search for object reads. So we'll see object reads. The collector ID, that's really where the data is coming from on the IBM system. But the report name is much easier to reference. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a 7 to run this. And here we're going to leave all of the defaults, just our current day here, and I'm just going to print this out to the screen and run it interactively. And here we go. I've been playing around with the system a little bit, but let's check out that bottom one here. So that timing looks correct based on my system. We'll see some information about the access point, and really what we'll find at the end here is the path in which we accessed. Now we'll see these hashed out. These are paths that we don't have access to with my user profile, the Mitch L profile. I don't have access to those paths, and so they are hashed out here. Of course, if you were to log in as a security officer, you would get to see everything. So this is an example. If there are important directories within your IFS, you want to see who's accessing and when. you can do so by setting up IFS Auditing. Now, the same can be done for object auditing in a very similar manner, but we won't go through that in this video today. Thanks.